In this video, I'm going to show you how to optimize a PDF in Adobe Acrobat. So to do this, you want to open your document, then you want to go to the Tools tab top left, and from here, scroll down to Protect and Standardize, and you can see the Optimize PDF tab over here. So simply click on it, and then from here, you have a bunch of different options up top. You have the Reduce File Size, which you can do for single file or multiple files. So I'm going to click on this one over here, and it's going to allow you to reduce file size and save it as a separate PDF in here. You could go to Advanced Optimization, which is going to allow you to save as a separate document, and then you can of course change all the image settings, the grayscale images, monochrome ones, etc. So this is going to basically optimize the PDF however you want. There's a lot of different details on images, fonts, transparency, objects, etc. You can go through these and basically optimize a PDF that way. And then you can also optimize scanned pages. So if you have any scanned pages, you can go and just enhance these using this menu over here. And you can also use this pre-flight over here, which is kind of be a pre-flight editor for your PDF, which if you have it installed, you can go and do different things, like maybe like flatten different annotations and stuff like that, okay? So that's essentially how to optimize a PDF. I hope this video helped you out. If it did, please subscribe to the channel and help me out as well.